In 2018, Harvard scientists gave old mice a single molecule. Within a week, their muscles and blood vessels looked young again. Your body makes this exact molecule right now. But you have about half as much as you did at 20. And the thing draining it fastest is something you did today without noticing. By the end, you'll know what it is and exactly how to get it back. The molecule is called NAD+. It's a coenzyme your cells use to create energy. Think of it like the battery in your phone. When your phone has a full battery, it runs fast. When it dies, everything stops. Every single cell in your body uses NAD+ constantly. Your brain, your heart, your muscles, your liver, they all depend on it. It controls your metabolism, your immune system, and how fast you age. Here's the thing. NAD+ doesn't just sit in your cells. Every time you think, move, or digest food, you're burning through your supply. It's being created and destroyed thousands of times per second inside you right now. As you age, your body produces less and less. At 20, your cells are making it efficiently. By 40, you're producing about half as much. By 60, it's down to a quarter. It's a biological clock ticking down. This decline is directly connected to every sign of aging you see. Wrinkles, muscle loss, slower metabolism, brain fog. Scientists discovered that the people who age the slowest maintain high NAD+ levels. But energy isn't even the main reason this matters. To understand why, we need to go inside your mitochondria. These are the powerhouses of your cells, where energy actually gets created. Your mitochondria take the food you eat and convert it into ATP, the actual energy currency your cells use. But this conversion process absolutely requires NAD+. Without it, the whole system shuts down. Inside the mitochondria is an assembly line called the electron transport chain. Electrons get passed along, releasing energy at each step. NAD+ is the molecule that delivers electrons to the start of the line. Fascinatingly, NAD+ doesn't get destroyed when it delivers electrons. It gets converted to a reduced form, then recycled back to NAD+ to do it all over again. It's a perfect recycling system, except when it breaks. Here's the part almost everyone gets wrong. NAD+ is also a fuel for proteins called sirtuins. These are your cell's repair crew. They fix damaged DNA, reduce inflammation, and extend lifespan. Every day, your DNA gets damaged by UV radiation and normal metabolism. Your cells have repair mechanisms, but they require NAD+ to work. When NAD+ is low, damaged DNA accumulates. That is cellular aging. NAD+ also controls inflammation through these sirtuins. When NAD+ is high, sirtuins suppress inflammatory signals. When it's low, inflammation runs wild, the root cause of almost every age-related disease. It regulates your metabolism too. A specific sirtuin controls how your body burns fat. When NAD+ is high, your metabolism runs efficiently. When it drops, your metabolism slows down, leading to weight gain. This is where it gets personal. Your brain uses 20% of your body's energy. Brain cells rely heavily on NAD+ for energy and repair. When it drops, you get brain fog, memory problems, and slower processing. Your immune cells, T cells, B cells, macrophages, all need NAD+ to function. When it's low, your immune response weakens. You get sick more often, and infections last longer. It's not just aging, it's depletion. Muscle cells are incredibly energy-intensive. Every contraction requires NAD+. When it's low, muscles become weaker, fatigue sets in faster, and recovery takes longer. This is why muscle loss accelerates as we age. Now, here's the problem nobody warns you about. Your body is constantly producing NAD+, but also consuming it. As you age, production slows down while consumption stays high. You enter a deficit. Why does production decline? The enzymes that create NAD+ become less efficient. DNA damage accumulates, and repairing it consumes NAD+ faster than it can be made. Chronic inflammation increases consumption further. It becomes a vicious cycle. Low NAD+ means poor DNA repair. Poor repair means more damage. More damage means more inflammation. More inflammation means more NAD+ consumption. The cycle accelerates aging. Remember that thing you did today that's draining your NAD+? Here it is. Modern life accelerates this decline. Stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic sleep deprivation maximize NAD+ depletion. The consequence is metabolic aging. Your chronological age might be 40, but your cellular age could be 60. Your energy production is failing. But here's the good news. This is reversible. NAD+ can be restored. This isn't theory. The world's top aging researchers at Harvard and MIT have proven that NAD+ restoration reverses aging markers. In human studies, it improves energy, metabolism, and cognitive function. Your body makes NAD+ from precursors, building blocks your cells convert. The main ones are NMN, NR, and tryptophan. But as you age, your ability to convert these decreases. You need more of them. NMN is the most studied precursor. It's one step closer to NAD+, so it converts efficiently. Studies show supplementing with NMN increases NAD+ levels by 30 to 50% within weeks. NR is another effective precursor. Some people respond better to NR, others to NMN. Both have strong research backing and increase NAD+ levels significantly. The key is consistency. You can also get precursors from food. Tryptophan is found in turkey, chicken, eggs, nuts, and seeds. It's less efficient than NMN or NR, but eating these foods helps maintain your levels naturally. In a second, I'll show you the one mistake that undoes all of it. But first, here's something more powerful than supplements: exercise. When your muscles demand energy, it triggers massive NAD+ production. Exercise creates an energy deficit. Your cells activate an energy sensor called AMPK, which then activates Sirtuins and NAD+ production. It's your body saying, we need energy now. Produce more NAD+. Fasting is the accelerator. When you shift from using glucose to stored fat for energy, this metabolic shift increases NAD+ production. Intermittent fasting can increase NAD+ levels by up to 50%. Sleep is when your body recovers and restores NAD+. During deep sleep, your cells activate repair pathways. Poor sleep accelerates aging because you get caught in an NAD+ deficit. Prioritizing sleep is critical. Chronic stress depletes NAD+ rapidly. Stress hormones increase consumption while decreasing production. Meditation, breathing exercises, and time in nature reduce stress and preserve your NAD+ supply. Polyphenols are plant compounds that activate sirtuins. Grapes, dark chocolate, berries, green tea, and olive oil are rich in them. They don't provide NAD+ directly, but they activate the pathways that produce it. The most powerful approach combines all of these: exercise, fasting, sleep, stress reduction, and polyphenol-rich foods create a synergistic effect. Your NAD+ levels don't just increase, they skyrocket. So here's your action plan, starting today. It's not complicated. If you do this, your energy will come back. Your focus will sharpen. Your body will feel younger. Step 1. Exercise at least 3 times per week. 30 minutes of intense exercise. The intensity matters more than the duration. Your muscles need to demand energy to trigger NAD+ production. Step 2. Implement intermittent fasting. Eat within an 8-hour window. Fast for 16 hours. This metabolic shift is incredibly powerful for NAD+ restoration. Stick with it for at least 4 weeks. Step 3. Prioritize sleep. Get 7 to 9 hours every night. Keep your bedroom cool and dark. Avoid screens 1 hour before bed. Sleep is your NAD+ recovery window. Step 4. Manage stress daily. Pick one practice: meditation, breathing exercises, or time in nature. Do it for 15 minutes every day to prevent stress-induced depletion. Step 5. Add polyphenol-rich foods to your diet. A handful of grapes, a cup of green tea, berries, or dark chocolate. Aim for at least 1 serving per day to activate those pathways. Step 6. Consider NMN or NR supplementation. This is optional, but if you want to accelerate results, it's the most direct way to boost NAD+ levels. Start with 250 to 500 milligrams daily. Here's what happens. In week 1, your body adapts. By the end of month 1, your energy is noticeably higher and focus is sharper. Between months 3 and 6, your body composition changes and immune system strengthens. Let me be clear, this isn't a magic pill. You have to do the work. Exercise, fast, sleep, manage stress. But if you do, the results show up. Your NAD+ will increase, your health will improve. Every day you wait, your NAD+ is declining. Your cells are aging. You can continue on that path, or you can implement these changes today. You have the power to reverse cellular aging. Your first step is simple. Tomorrow morning, go for a 30-minute workout. That single action triggers NAD+ production. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today. Your future self will thank you.